Hello everybody, my name is Josh and welcome to Cast Trending. In this video I'm going to be showing you a hearing test that only 2% of humans can complete. Just really quickly before this video starts, we're just letting you know we're actually going to be doing a giveaway every single month of an Amazon gift card to anybody who is subscribed to our channel just by clicking here. Don't forget to like the video, and as well as that, make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every single time we upload. But with that being said, let's get right into it. Please only attempt this test at your own risk. The hertz and kilohertz will go up to a very extreme amount and could cause pain in your ears. The test will start at 80 hertz and will slowly increase all the way up to 18 kilohertz. But with that all being said, good luck with the test. We really hope you guys enjoyed this hearing test. Make sure to let us know in the comments down below how many hertz or kilohertz you got up to throughout this test. Make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome daily content. But with that being said, my name is Josh, this has been Cast Trending, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video.